Welcome. Welcome, my dear friends. Myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande, would like to welcome you all in this today's interesting video regarding the very important disease in general medical practice. The name of the disease is rabies, and this disease occurs because of the dog bite, but it is not a normal dog, it is a rabid dog bite. This disease is, you can say, very common in general medical practice. And why we should study this particular disease? Because this is a fatal disease. If the doctor cannot treat it properly, cannot diagnose it properly, or the patient does not go to the doctor at a proper time, then this disease is a fatal disease. So, my dear friends, see this video till the end very carefully. This video, this particular subject is also very important for the third year BAMS students, Ayurveda students, in the subject of Agadtantra and Vyavahara Ayurveda, that is toxicology and medical jurisprudence. This particular rabies dog bite video is a presentation of myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande. I am MD in Ayurvedic medicine and MD in Ayurvedic physiology, that is Kriya Sharira. My WhatsApp number is 922-6810-630. You can note over here. Okay. Next, rabies or hydrophobia. Rabies is also called as hydrophobia. Hydro means water and phobia means fear. So if that particular rabies disease takes place, that particular patient in a later stage gets a fear of even drinking the water, even thinking of drinking the water, because he gets the spasm in the larynx and the throat region. So we will see that particular symptom afterwards. Let us see what is the definition of rabies. Rabies is an infectious disease. This is because of neuro means brain, neurotropic, it has attraction, neurotropic filtrable virus. This is a viral infection and affecting the neurons, brain, nervous tissue, transmitted by the bite or even licking of an infected or rabid dog. After bite, the total symptoms may develop after 10 days, or even sometimes the symptoms may develop after few months, 3, 4, 5, 6 months. So be careful. What happens? That dog bites you and you say, oh no, it's very casual and nothing, no blood, nothing is problem. I don't have any problem. I don't have any fever. I don't have any pain. And the patient forgets that he has a rabid dog bite because he has not keep watch on that particular dog, which because it may be the street dog. So this is very dangerous. Incubation period is from 10 days to several months. So be careful. After dog bite, immediately go to the doctor. Rabies, let us see the symptoms. Premonitory. That stage lasts for 2 days. It gives the inclination. Oh, Ayurveda says it is Purva Rupa, prodromal symptoms or beginning symptoms. Pain and discomfort at the site of the bite. Irritable even to the slightest noise. The patient cannot hear a sound or the noise or the TV or the mobile phone. And just by hearing that particular sound causes the spasm of different muscles, like the muscles of swallowing. There will be spasm of the muscle, very important symptom in rabies. Number two, stage of irritability, spasm of different muscles, particularly deglutition. The patient cannot deglute. The process of deglutition, engulfing the food, engulfing the water is difficult. Even he cannot speak. He cannot drink even the water. Next, even sight of the water. By looking to the water, that, oh, that person is giving the water, that makes the fear of spasm, that initiate the spasm, and hence the name of the disease is hydrophobia. Hydro means water and phobia means fear. Fear of even thinking of drinking the water. Muscles of the larynx can also undergo spasmodic contraction. respiration becomes difficult, respiratory rate normal up to the 14 per minute. 14 to 16 per minute is a normal respiratory rate. But in this disease, the respiration becomes more fast, oxygen becomes less, and cyanosis, blue discoloration here at the tip of the finger, peripheral cyanosis, or here central cyanosis, bluish discoloration because of the hypoxia, less oxygen. Then hoarseness of voice and jerks when you take the doctor examines by the what you can say the hammer, clinical hammer, he gets the reflexes and that jerks become brisk. This particular stage also lasts for 3 days, and unfortunately if the symptomatic treatment is not given, finally the patient dies due to the heart failure. Stage of paralysis, that is the next stage, paralysis of different muscle groups, respiratory muscles, cardiac muscles, all go into the paralysis, and this particular stage lasts for only few hours and then death. Consciousness is never lost, but death is inevitable. Rabies is a fatal disease. So after dog bite, never neglect. Go to the immediate doctor. To take immediate injection after dog bite is mandatory. Remember, do not kill the dog. The dog in question, whoever the dog has bitten, should never be killed. Rather, that particular dog should be kept under observation for 10 days. If it is a pet dog or if it is a street dog, if possible, keep the watch on the dog. If the dog is normal and is living after 5 days, chances of rabies are almost zero, and so no tension, no worry. But you have to keep the watch. If the dog behaves abnormal or dies in these 5 days, and then if negri, remember this word for the students, negri bodies are found in the brain in the postmortem of the dog. We are not talking about human being. This is about dog. When the dog post-mortem is done, negri bodies are found in the brain, and these negri's bodies is a confirmatory diagnosis that particular what is a died dog had a rabies, disease rabies, and the human being should take all the full course of that particular injection. When full immunization is must, always remember, rabies is a fatal disease. The patient cannot survive. So, if the dog is unknown or street dog or difficult to keep watch or people killed the dog, then full immunization for rabies is mandatory, is compulsory, is must. Do not take any risk or do not avoid treatment for rabies because rabies is a fatal disease. Death of rabies patient is 100%. In Pune, Maharashtra state, India, these particular patients who are getting the dog bite and having the rabies disease, they are kept in the Naidu hospital near Pune station. You can see he is catching the rabid dog post-mortem. You can see the negri bodies. This word is very, very important. Negri bodies. Don't forget it. Now, how to help an animal? Remember where you saw it. Remember what it looks like. Stay away from it and call animal control. Can you see over here? Stay away from us. This is dog, this is cat. Huh? When if a loose dog comes to you, up to you, be a tree. You have to become a very, very steady. Don't run away. Don't run away. Otherwise, he will bite. Dog will bite you. So what you have to do? Stop wherever you are. Fold your branches, this particular hands and legs in this position. Count in your head until the dog goes away. You have to stay like this tree so that that rabid dog will not bite you, rather he will pass away nearby you because he will feel that he is a nothing as human being. So be careful by typical this position. Bite by the rabid dog, very sad. You can see rabies symptoms. Rabies, how it spreads, animal bite. The farther away from brain, the longer is the virus takes to spread. That means if it is near, bite is over here, then naturally the disease will occur very fast. But if your bite is at the leg, that virus to reach the brain will take some time. Now here, common carriers of rabies, which are the infected animals, show no fear for humans, act very agitated. Bat, remember these name of the animals: bat, fox, cat, and skunk. Another common rabies source, common in humans: fever, depression, these are the symptoms, agitation, painful spasm followed by excessive saliva, death within a week without vaccine. Treatment, hospitalization, immunoglobulins, injections, anti-rabies vaccine. Foaming at mouth after drinking produce spasm in the throat. Rabies virus, how it looks like: no protein, M protein, N protein, and G protein. Envelope cover is there: L protein, P protein, and RNA. Local care: after bite, dog bite, wash the wound repeatedly with soap or cetavolon and flowing water, running water, flowing water. Clean the wound with 70% alcohol or iodine under local anesthesia. That doctor will do. If CLW, that cut and lacerated wound, is small, do not suture. Never suture that wound. If CLW is large, this is for doctor. Suture loosely, keeping the drain. The doctor should keep the drain over there after suturing. Thanks for rabies vaccine. Thanks to the Louis Pasteur. Louis Pasteur, a French scientist, developed a vaccine in 1885 to prevent rabies. The vaccine has saved many human and animal lives. Merci. That is particular French word for thank you. Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. This is in French language. So we should salute to the inventor Louis Pasteur. Rabies management: Injection Rabipur, that is purified chick embryo cell vaccine, PCEC, purified chick embryo cell vaccine. Total 6 injections has to be given. One dose vial of powder 1 ml cost rupees 400. Injection is given here on the deltoid. First day, then third day, 7th, 14th, then 1 month and 3 months. This schedule should be remembered. Of course, the doctor always remembers this, but the student must remember while writing the answer of this question. 0, 3, 7, 14, 1 month and 3 months. Injection, anti-rabies vaccine. Previously it was used 5 ml subcut daily for 14 days. This Rabipur is the latest development. This was previously in the government hospitals. 21 days if infection is severe, injected at different sites over the abdomen. So injection Rabipur is a popular today for the disease prevention of the rabies. Passive immunization: if the dog bites are multiple and deep, if the dog bites are on the face or the neck over here, very serious, then injection Beri-Rab, BERI, Beri-Rab 300 IU in 1 ml ampule, 3 to 4 ml IM injected away from the site of the injection Rabipur. This injection is given in addition to Rabipur injection. Remember this thing. Serum also TIG, tetanus immunoglobulin. 1 ml is applied locally to the wound or infiltrate around the wound. TIG, tetanus immunoglobulin. Injection Beri-Rab. Next, vaccine sites: human rabies immunoglobulin and rabies vaccine administration sites. Deltoid, this is particular area in adults and in children. Deltoid, can you see? Anterolateral thigh. Anterolateral thigh, this particular part is okay for infants and small children, but do not give the rabies vaccine on gluteal muscle. Remember, gluteal buttocks. No, rabies should not be given on the gluteal muscle. Always on the deltoid or in the children, anterolateral thigh region. Okay, intramuscular. Injection Rabipur can be given intradermal. This is inventory a suggestion by Dr. Ananta Phadke from Mumbai, because he says that if the injection Rabipur is given in a very low dose, so it's more economical for the patient. Rabies management, human rabies immunoglobulins, 20 IU international units per kg body weight. For example, 60 kg person has to give 1200 international units. Half dose is given subcut around the wound and half dose is given intramuscular. Human rabies immunoglobulins. Prevention is better than cure. Of course, everybody knows that. So, the persons who are exposed to the rabid animals, possibility of getting exposed, if because they are always doing the job with the animals. So veterinary doctors, workers in the forest department or in slaughterhouses, research workers doing animal experiments, and rural postmen. Yes, rural postmen, they should be very careful. So for all these people are susceptible to get the dog bite, and that may be rabid dog bite. So these people must take prophylactic prophylactic vaccine. Remember this word, prophylactic vaccine. Injection Rabipur 1 ml on the days 0, 7, 21 and 1 year. 0 day, in the first day, 7th day, 21st day, after immediately 1 year. So this program gives the protection for 3 years. So every after 3 years, these people should take the injection Rabipur as a prophylaxis, even though they don't get the dog bite. Okay. Rabies seen after the bite of carnivorous animals, dog, cat, wolf, and jackal. So any of these bites you, you should take the rabies vaccination. So this is all for today. My dear friends, if anybody has any health problem, please WhatsApp Professor Deshpande, that is myself. I have the team of doctors and team of teachers in my Ayurveda Academy. My WhatsApp number is 92268106330. Dear students and doctors, do you want any video, any PPT on specific topic? Also WhatsApp me 92268106330. I am very much thankful for your kind support and encouragement all the time, feedback all the time. So I request once again to share this video to all your WhatsApp groups. Like this video, put your comment for my encouragement, and please subscribe my YouTube channel Ayurveda Academy. I wish you all the best. Take care. Bye bye. This is all for today. All the best.